Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the watch and ensuring connectivity. Plug the charger, wait until battery reaches 50% or more because initial sync can take time. Then, on your phone, install the Jugeman companion app and enable Bluetooth. This ensures pairing works smoothly. Sign into or create your account and grant permissions for notifications, location, and sensors so features function. Once done, make sure the watch screen is unlocked and visible. That makes the next step, pairing fast and reliable. Now you pair the watch and configure essentials. Open the Jugeman app, tap Add Device, and select your exact model. The app shows a PIN or QR code. Scan or enter it on the watch to confirm pairing. You will see a Bluetooth confirmation, accept it on both devices. Next, set time, preferred language, a watch face, and enter basic health details, height, weight, birth date, to calibrate step and calorie estimates. Once paired, sync once more to verify data flow and app notifications. Finish by tailoring advanced features and knowing a key fix. Enable continuous heart rate, SpO2 monitoring, and sleep tracking in the app if you want persistent data. These settings impact battery life, so balance sampling rate versus runtime. Customize notification priorities and do not disturb windows to avoid distractions. If you hit a pairing or sync failure, restart both phone and watch, toggle Bluetooth, and clear the app's Bluetooth cache. That usually resolves stubborn connection issues. If not, reinstall the app and retry the pairing process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.